Could you repeat? I am also good. Thanks for asking. Which part are you in India? Are you Indian? Hello. MP. Okay. Are you a student or working? Which department are you studying? High school student, university student? Which? Okay. Which standard do you study? Class. Okay. Are you studying state board, CBSE board, ICSE board? Which board are you studying? Oh my goodness, you are studying in government schools. That's good. Okay. Are you, yeah, you are right. I am so happy to talk with you. You are studying in government school. Then how many students in 10th standard? Tell me. How many students? 126 only 10th standard? How many section? How many section? Four section. Okay. Which section are you in? D section. Okay. The, which subject do you like? Which subject? Which subject do you like? Okay. You like science subject. Yeah, of course, definitely. You are a good speaker. How did you learn English? Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, mm. Yeah, you took good technique, right? And you enhance your English speaking because you are your teacher and you are your student, right? You play two teacher and student. You learnt English language, right? That's good. Do you talk with any your friend inside school? Do you talk with them in English? Okay, so fine. Then how long have you been using this platform? How long? Oh, 7 months. Oh, how did you know about the? How did you know? Okay, through Instagram you got to know about platform, right? That's good. That's good. You are taking good technique and formula to enhance your English speaking. It is a self practice, right? No one can help you. You have to help yourself. That technique is a better, and we don't have different technique, right? We are Indian. We get atmosphere, and we don't get partner to interact with anyone in English, right? Then take LSRW, right? That is a good means if you do regularly, definitely you can speak better English. Right now, you are a good speaker and you can police your fluency and you speak like a native speaker. That's good. And how much time do you invest through platform? Mhm. 60 minutes, right? Right. Mhm. Mhm, 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 mhm. Of course, definitely. It doesn't require any coaching. Mhm. It okay. Mhm. Right. Of course, definitely. You are right, and you can understand perfectly, I guess. Because you told about your friend, means your friends have gone to coaching center to take means classes, right? But don't have money to invest through coaching. It's good. It's good. You should not worry about it because we are living in digital era. If you invest 200 rupees for internet and you can learn through YouTube video, right? You get a thousand million online teacher. They teach all subject also, right? Speak YouTube video and you learn from them. They are also teacher, right? And this, we should not worry about anything. We get every message information through mobile, YouTube video, Google's, right? Those kind of platform help us to grow our skill and improve our skill, right? Then if you study determination through determination and if you study through discipline, then definitely you can learn anything. Nothing is impossible, everything is possible, right? Then, no, I am not a student. And I am a language learner. I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why I am learning in this language. Before you means you also know you are a language learner. I am also a language learner. We don't get atmosphere and we don't have language partner. That's why we people depend in this type of platform to interact with language learner, right? India is a languages, all state have languages. Okay, okay, tell me. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mhm. Right. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Are you in outside? Are you in outside? Are you in okay, okay. No issue. No issue. You are right because Vivekananda had in one quality.